Every day, nothing seems to change. Everywhere I go, I keep seeing the same old thing, and I can't take it no more. If I would leave this town, but I ain't got nowhere else to go now. Wake up in the morning some more bad news, and sometimes I feel like I was born to lose, and it's driving me out of my mind. I'm gonna catch the next train, and I won't be around, no. Will I be ready now? I'll be ready when my train pulls in. Well, I'll be ready now. I'll be ready when my train pulls in. I know my time ain't long, and I can't live this life again. Walking down the street, you might run across a smiling face, but they'll stab you in the back as soon as you turn and walk away. And it's really bringing me down. I'm gonna catch the next train, and come on! Well, I'll be ready now. Thank you guys.